So whenever we want to labeling this data, so I use the label encoder functions and stored into the lib. So suddenly I pass some data and I want to fit this data Paris, Tokyo and Amsterdam. And once you can also pass some other data like USA. So it will automatically labeling this data. And now I want to check, like, once some duplicates values are there, so it will label only the ones. How you can see, like you can see it will labeling USA to 0, and this one to 1. And I want to show the labeling part also. So I use the filter data because the classes are stored to there. Then I print the data here with the help of this one. Now I want to transform this data into the labeling factor. So the LE, this is a name, you can take different. With the help of transform, I transform this data into the label. So machine automatically give the label USA to 0, Armstrong to 1, and the Japan, Tokyo. So you can take anything. Like suddenly I choose some different. So it is suddenly I change whenever the things. So the things automatically change. Like Delhi, Mumbai, USA, Paris, Tokyo. So it will automatically labeling the value. Once we have labeled the value and transform this value, then again I want to print this one. So this is the output of this one. Then again I want to inverse the value. So if I supply 1, so the machine give me the Mumbai. If suddenly I give the 2, so machine give the result like USA. If suddenly I pass this train means we have the complete data. So machine will give the entire result into this one. I hope I have successfully defined the label encoder. Like whenever we want to encode the label of, we want to label the data, and again we want to inverse again. Question is that if we want to supply the complete table into this, so how it is possible? So firstly, I want to create a simple table. It is very simple table. You can see, I have successfully created this data set city, Paris, London. Now I want to fit into this machine learning model the 2 column. Now the question is that how we can label the 2 column and more than 2. So I have created one data set randomly. It will automatically labeling all the data. So the Delhi London, pass your entire table and you can see that.